After a month of not playing football in the Betway Premiership, Kaizer Chiefs are back in action, going head-to-head with Golden Arrows on Tuesday, 7:30 at FNB. We are here to do a lineup prediction. Coach Cedric Hayes and also Coach Khalil Ben Youssef. I'm hoping you guys are going to drop your own lineup prediction in the comments, scoreline prediction, and also like the video as well. It's very important. Bafethu sidlala Golden Arrows, a team esike sadlala nayo this season. This is the second leg. First leg sabashaya ngo 1-0, and we are here again playing them. Manqoba Mncwethi is a good coach, a coach that does not like losing. Hopefully akazuyenza le game ibe nzima kakhulu for iKaizer Chiefs, since we are trying to be up there madoda. Sizama ukuthi at least mayiphela season siba at number 3 if izinto ziyabheda, at least sibe ku number 3 bafethu ungabhedi kakhulu. Okay, we're going to play a formation esingayidlale kakhulu today. I think we have to go with a 4-2-2 because we have too many players and ifuna sizisebenzise up front. So yeah, a 4-4-2, I think it will suit us. Okay, who are we starting with? In goals, we're going to start with Brendan Peterson. Siyivale isizini umjita. He was our best goalkeeper, and I think kuse kanjalo he's still our best goalkeeper, Brendan Peterson. Yeah, there he is. Brendan Peterson starts in goals. Unless kukhona into eyenzekileyo behind the scenes during le break ye AFCON esingayaziyo, maybe Brendan Peterson angangadlali, kodwa I didn't hear anything ukuthi kwenzeke something. Okay, right back, who are we going to play? Siyivale season again, Dylan Solomons. He was our best right back. uMonyane ebesanda kubuya kwi-injury, ebesadlale one game, and then the last game was played by Solomons. So Dylan Solomons was playing well. So in my opinion, he deserves to start because he didn't drop any poor performance. So Umjita, he starts again. Dylan Solomons starts. Paseka Marco on the left. Naye Umjita. Sivale isizini kunguyo dlalayo. Bradley Cross was kinda injured. We're not sure if he is fully back. Let me know in the comments, Wafetu. Do you think, okanye, did you hear ukuthi Bradley Cross is back and he's ready to start? But I think it's important to reward the players who have been playing, to let them continue playing, because until udlale kabi okanye put bad performances, I think a player should be played. Regardless of his name, of who he is, fairness has to be practiced. Yeah, Zita Kweneka, one of our best defenders this season, starts again as a right center back. Here, I know they're gonna play with Inacio Miguel. I would have liked to put Aiden McCarthy. Got to Inacio Miguel, one of our leaders, and I think he has to be there again. They're gonna play him. Inacio Miguel, that's my back line. So yeah, let's go to the middle of the park. I think I should start with wingers as Kotwa. Okay, let's go with on the left. We're gonna go with Lilepo. He's ready. Last game, esasidlala ngomhla ka-7 December, he was on the bench, and I think now he's ready. He's fully fit. In my opinion, he is our best left winger. Lilepo starts, and we need to play attackers that can give you goals, and I think Lilepo is that guy. You guys know indlela ashuta ngayo umjita, and I think we need more goals from him this season. Akakakore enough in my opinion. Okay, who do I play on the right wing? I wanted to play with Vilakazi, but at the same time I'm thinking Masiqala Velebai here, because of the formation I'm going to play, the formation that we are playing. I mean Velebai, Asanele Velebai on the right. Okay, we go Phakathi. We're going to go with Ungcobo, who's going to be playing. Since we're playing a 4-4-2, Ungcobo is going to play two positions. It's going to depend on the game. He's going to play as a playmaker and as well as an 8. So that's what happened when you are playing a 4-4-2. You don't have three midfielders. You will always have two midfielders. So one of the midfielders have to interchange depending on what game ihamba kanjani. Okay, we're gonna play him with Lebohang. Lebohang Mabue has to be here. I think this duo will work very well. Omye Maye Pambile, the other one drops. I'm expecting him to be the one Oya Pambile kakhulu because his natural position is a 10. So I'm expecting Ngcobo to be the one or Ozagakulu in this position, trying to help the strikers with the balls and everything. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting from these two guys. I need creativity from them. I know they are very good ball passers, so the strikers are Azizulamba. Okay, who are we going to play in that striker position? We're gonna go with Khanyisa Mayo, the dingy striker that is good on the ball. Khanyisa Mayo is kind of good on the ball, and also igol uyalshaya Umjita. As much as isizini ayikangi benhle kahle kuye, akakabonakali kahle Umjita. I'm hoping the second leg uzosibonisa Umjita ukuthi uphetheni. Okay, who do we pair uKhanyisa Mayo with? Since uKhanyisa Mayo engumdlali othanda ukuba more on the ball, we have to play a player that is going to stand in the box and stand between the two center backs. Anga drop it in too deep because uKhanyisa Mayo sometimes is gonna drop her here. I know he likes doing that. Okanye I drop it in Azela on the wings to try and have touches on the ball. So we have to play a guy who's not gonna drop in too deep, Flavio Silva. And I think the instructions have to be very clear from the coaches. Banga drop it in too deep. Because someone has to put pressure on those center backs. And yeah, Flavio Silva scored against Golden Arrows last game. Hopefully he's gonna score again in this game. Umjita magenze njalo. So we have two strikers, Flavio Silva and Khanyisa Mayo. So this is my lineup of two. I'm expecting these two guys. Uvele Bai is a guy who likes crossing. Digendimbone edlala on the left. He likes crossing left work. Right now he's going to play in a position where uzobe crosser with his stronger foot, which is the right. So I'm expecting him to put ama crosses amahle in the box. And this guy Makapi Lilepo, if the attack is coming from this side, it's Velebai or Dylan Solomons who's trying to whip in across, I'm expecting Lilepo now to add numbers in the box. We have 3 tall men up front. I think we need to use that to our advantage. Most teams in PSL don't have tall defenders. As you guys know, South Africans are a bit short compared to other nations like North Africans. So we don't know how many tall defenders the Golden Arrows has. So we need to use this to our advantage. If Golden Arrows and defenders are short, these 3 guys are very tall. So these guys whipping in crosses in the box, I expect at least a goal, one, El Shayong and Togo. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting. And this guy can also cut inside and shoot as well, since he is that guy. So yeah, this is my lineup. I have Peterson in goals. Right back is Dylan Solomons. Left back is Paseka Marco. 2 center backs, Zeta Kwinika and Miguel. As a 6 or as an 8, it's Lebo and Ngcobo. Right winger it's Velebai. Left winger it's Makapi Lilepo. 2 strikers, Flavio Silva and Khanyisa Mayo. Drop your own lineup prediction in the comments, and also a scoreline prediction. Like the video as well.